Hello, everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive SOLIDWORKS Mechanical Design training program. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am an experienced mechanical design engineer, and through years of working on real industrial projects, I have seen something very important. Many engineers learn software, but very few learn how to think like designers. And today, I'm going to change that. In this training, you will learn how to use SOLIDWORKS the right way, the industry way. So, stay with me till the end, because this session will change how you approach mechanical design. Let's begin. Fire what you will learn. Create 3D mechanical parts using real-world design principles. Build assemblies and understand essential assembly relationships. Produce professional engineering drawings following industry standards. Learn fundamental design concepts used in mechanical design projects. Develop practical workflows used by mechanical design engineers. Why this training is different. Most tutorials only teach commands, but industry does not hire command operators. Industry hires engineers who understand design logic, workflow thinking, engineering decisions. This training focuses on building real confidence. White medium star Why Learn SOLIDWORKS. Beginner-friendly interface. Powerful parametric modeling tools. Widely used across industries for product and mechanical design. Strong community support and abundant learning resources. Direct hit. Who is this course for? Mechanical engineering students. Engineering and design professionals. Beginners learning 3D CAD for the first time. Individuals preparing for the CSWA Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate exam. Trophy career benefits. With solid fundamentals and preparation for the CSWA certification, you will be equipped to pursue opportunities in the mechanical design industry and help close a growing skill gap for CAD proficient mechanical design engineers. The goal of this course is to help you confidently use SOLIDWORKS to create parametric models, develop assemblies, and generate accurate engineering drawings. While SOLIDWORKS is a powerful and feature-rich software, this course focuses on essential concepts and workflows that matter most to beginners and early career engineers. Advantages of learning through our program. Beginner-friendly teaching approach. Need not spend huge money-strong emphasis on parametric design hands-on practice. In assembly modeling and simulation learning supported by real-world examples and industry standards practical case study. That varies design intent. Prerequisites. No prior experience with SOLIDWORKS is required. Ideal for mechanical engineering students, engineering professionals seeking to improve 3D design skills, learners familiar with Windows operating systems. Chapters covered. 3D part modeling, assembly and drawings creation for 3D printing or manufacturing. Part modeling foundation or creating. Here you will learn 1. Smart sketching, line, circle, arc, ellipse, parabola, spline, slots, polygons, understanding planes, axis, dimensions and sketches, relations and sketch status, etc. 2. Parametric design thinking. Parametric modeling means that the geometry of your model is driven by parameters such as dimensions, constraints, or relationships. These parameters are linked, so when you change one, the related features automatically update. If you change a number like length, width, or radius, the model automatically adjusts everywhere it's related. How does it work? Each feature, like extrude, fillet, hole cut, has parameters, length, diameter, angle, etc. You can define relations like parallelism, perpendicularity, concentricity, symmetry. If you later edit a dimension or change a parameter, SOLIDWORKS recalculates the model automatically. Example, you create a cube with 100 millimeters x 50 millimeters x 30 millimeters. Later, you change the width from 50 millimeters to 80 millimeters. All features that depend on the width, like a slot on the side, update automatically. Advantages: flexibility. Easy to make changes without rebuilding the model from scratch. Consistency. Relationships maintain design intent. Speed. Updates are automatic. No need to redo dependent features. Design automation allows for creating configurations and design variations easily. Design intent. The key idea behind parametric modeling is design intent. You capture what should remain constant and what can change. Example, in a hole pattern, you may want distance between holes constant, even if the plate size changes. 3. Feature-based modeling. Extrude, revolve, patterning, sweep, loft, fillets, chamfer, ribs, split/intersect. For real mechanical examples, strong parts create strong engineers. Assembly modeling. Learn assembly theory and apply it to create functional mechanical assemblies. Now your design comes alive. You will learn component relationships, mates and motion logic, functional positioning, practical system understanding. This is where you start thinking like an industry professional. Engineering drawings. Develop professional drafting skills aligned with industry expectations. 3D model looks good, but drawings are what manufacturing understands. We focus on professional drawing creation, dimensions and annotations, industry standards, clear technical communication. A great drawing reflects a great engineer. Imagine explaining your design confidently in an interview. That confidence comes from strong fundamentals. And that is exactly what we are building together. Engineers who master fundamentals grow faster, perform better, and create stronger careers. This course is designed to help you reach that level for mechanical engineers keen to learn SOLIDWORKS and willing to gain experience in industry-based design, etc. If this session gives you value, continue this learning journey with us. Subscribe to our channel and become part of a serious mechanical design learning community. Visit SGCADTECHEDU, https://sgcadtechedu.com. Register, connect with us, share your drawings, and receive professional guidance. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next powerful session. Let's keep learning and keep building your future as a mechanical design engineer. Don't forget to click the bell for future notifications.